Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to give distance in kilometers, and then it will convert into miles equivalent using Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here the title of our program, in Pascal, program kilometers to miles, var kilometers, miles, real. So we have two variables. When we say real, it refers to values that has a decimal places. Begin, we have your right line, write kilometers to miles in Pascal, right line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to enter distance in kilometers. That will be stored in our variable kilometers. Now, 1 mile is equivalent to 1.609 kilometers. Miles equals kilometers over 1.609. So we have here distance in miles, colon 02. The 02 means 0 decimal to the left and 2 decimal places to the right. Right line, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Right line, read line, and end period to end our program. One of the characteristic of Pascal programming language, if we compared with C, C++, or Java, it is not case sensitive. So capital and small letters, it will be accepted. Okay, let us run our program. Let us go to our online GDB to execute the program. Okay, so kilometers to miles in Pascal, this interdistance in kilometers, let's say 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer in miles is 0.62 miles in the program. Let us stop the execution. Let us run again. Okay, there is, okay. Let's say we have 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers is equivalent to 6.22 miles in a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilometers to miles in Pascal programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.